mbitika-ini cia ikereka kana ria mbitika cia county iria irathakirwo mwena wa county nimakumiitie uhariria wa mbitika ici muikarĩrĩgĩte wa mbitika ici niwe Jenga Gicheha agwĩte mbunge 43 cia county nicio iranyita itemi mbitika-ini ici mbitika iria irathakirwo takagi na mubira wa moko itwambaine ni ithiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo makimenereria. Oho Jenga naugĩte atĩ mbitika ici ni cia kũrehe atongoria aya hamwe arĩ njĩra ya gũkũranĩria meciria uhoro wigie ukuria wa county na ninge kurehe hamwe utongoria wa andu thiini wa county ngũrani.
This is the fourth edition of Kasa Games. The first one was done in Nairobi, Kasarani Stadium, and then we moved for the second one at Eldoret. From there we went to Mombasa in 2021, and because of COVID issues we were not able to do it consecutively. So this year we decided that we're going to have it, and Nakuru decided that it's going to host. Our team came here, it did a recce, it did a report that the Nakuru is able to host because it has the facilities and the potential. Because when we integrate staff and members, we are able to serve our people in a manner that is going to be fruitful. Because if you don't have a good relationship between a staff and a member of county assembly, then it also becomes very difficult to deliver to Wanjiko. So each and every discipline has to field staff participants 50% and MCS participants at 50%. So far we have 22 disciplines, including squash, badminton, name it, and most of those events that go to Olympics. One of the core goals that we want to achieve with these games is because of talent. We want to tap on the talent of our people. Even that member of county assembly who is elected, he might not necessarily be a politician, but he was elected because he delivers to the people. But also we need to tap a talent that he has probably in singing. That is, we have set piece, we have choirs. Probably he's very good in athletics, he's very good in football or field events. So we are tapping on the talent so that we can also move our people forward. Another thing that we have been looking forward is to also learn from each other. When we integrate, we learn from each other. What Nakuru County Assembly has done in terms of legislation, we are able to share because this is a social event. You'll hear a member say that we have passed this bill, for example, the World Development Fund bill, which is not all the counties who have, but there are counties who have enacted such kind of bill. So when we meet here, we come and learn from each other.